Hey everybody, and welcome back to The Week That Was. This is episode number 19. I am your host, Jude Newcomb. Thanks for being here. Gonna try and get through this update, this episode, a little bit faster than normal. I say that a lot, and usually it ends up being longer than I think it's going to be. But let's try and keep this one under 10 minutes. Little fun thing that we're going to do this week in the opener is I'm going to ask whoever is watching this, if you see this, comment down below and leave me a comment where you tell me what you think is the best thing about cryptocurrency in general. It doesn't have to be about Metrix. It could be about anything. Just what you feel is the most important or the best or the funnest thing about cryptocurrency. Whatever most or best thing you think, leave that in the comments, and next week I will pick at random one of the comments, and that person will receive 50,000 Metrix coin. So you also have to be subscribed to the channel, and you have to be publicly subscribed. So if I check to see if you're subscribed, you have to have the notification in your settings turned off for private subscriptions, so I'll be able to determine whether or not you are subscribed or not. So have to be subscribed to the channel. It has to be a public subscription, and you have to leave a comment down below on what you think is the best thing about cryptocurrency, and if you're picked, you win 50,000 Metrix. So that's something a little fun I want to do, especially since nobody won the puzzle. I figured everyone could give their opinion about something. And if you don't want to do that, or you don't know what your opinion is, that's fine too. But someone's going to win, which is nice. With that being said, let's get to the stories this week. Alright guys, the first thing that I wanted to go over this week, real brief with it, is there's a couple exchanges that are currently and have been in wallet maintenance for a few weeks now, and we released a note or an update on Twitter, I think it was like a week ago or so, saying that deposits and withdrawals were reopened on Digifinix, and that was the note that we were given at the time by them. And it turned out that they had more maintenance that they had to work through on their end, and that is still continuing. But I just wanted everyone to know that what they're doing is dealing with updating their wallets and making sure that all of them are on the correct chain. If you haven't updated your Altitude wallet, please do so. It should be on version, I believe, 4.0.6.2. If you're still on 4.0.6.0, you want to make sure that you're updated to the correct one, because there was a fork that existed, and these exchanges want to make sure that every transaction that happened while they didn't update is correct, and a lot of technical stuff that I don't understand, but we do have devs that do understand it, and they are working with the exchanges. Hopefully it'll be done soon. I'm pretty sure I heard rumblings behind the scenes that these are almost complete. So, hopefully I won't even have to talk about this next week. Hopefully it'll be all done and addressed today, tomorrow, the next day, but hopefully really soon. So anybody that is worried about a buy.metrixcoin.com transaction, or trying to get their coins off the exchange, just know that we are in contact with these exchanges. They are responsive to us. They're just working through it, and we'll get it handled. We had a new feature added to the Discord channel, which was a level for activity in the Discord. So people can earn roles and rewards from how much they're active in the Discord. And you can see here, kind of at the top, we have 5 different levels that are rewarded with Metrix. Obviously you start at level 1 and you move your way up. But at level 1 you get 5,000 metrics, all the way up to level 50 where you earn 100,000 metrics, which is a great reward for just being an active member of the community. You can go to Discord and go to the Metrix Discord levels server to get more information, or you can pause the video and just read it here and then head on over to Discord and join. There's a lot of people talking in the community, and we would love to have you. The leaderboard, which we have here, that's constantly updating and shows all the people that are involved and earning points, trying to work their way up to different levels. We have a couple people already that are halfway to the first Metrix reward at level 10. It's just a good bit of fun and a great way to get involved and to meet a lot of like-minded people in the community. Wade Street Gaming also had a interesting post today. It's something that came up in the Discord server, was somebody openly wanting to play Fortnite with people, and it was a good chance to show how Wade Street Gaming can work, right? You can use Discord to just put out an open challenge, have people respond to you, and play your favorite game that we have on the platform. You can do it that way. You can also go on the platform itself. We released a tutorial, I believe it was last week, that shows how to create an open challenge. Open challenges are great because you can just set a timer for how long you think you'll be at your computer and readily available to play a game. And you just set it, for an hour or 2 hours, and just say, I'm ready to play somebody and I'm ready to play for this amount of metrics, and someone can see that and then just accept the challenge and you're off and playing. You can do that. You can directly challenge somebody that's on the leaderboard. There's a lot of different options, but we also, people talk to one another in the Discord, and if you're not in the Wade Street Gaming Discord, you can check that out as well. Finally, just want to announce or talk about another contest that's happening right now. This one's pretty fun. It's a growing pot prize contest where it costs 10,000 metrics to enter. This is done through our UK ambassador's Twitter page. Also in Discord you can find him, but at Metrix UK you can find him on Twitter and read up. He's constantly updating and giving extra information and showing who's involved in the contest. But basically you pay 10,000 metrics to this contest, and you want to guess what the price of Bitcoin is going to be in 30 days from when the contest started. So it looks like it's going to end September 8th. And if you're the closest person, you win it all. And right now, it's probably more than this, but at the time of filming, this tweet is a little bit old. The last time I saw it, there was a grand prize of 120,000 metrics. So that's great, and that will go up. And Metrix UK does a great job of coming up with contests. He did a great tip rainbot contest like a month or so ago, and he does a good job at getting people into the Discord and excited about potentially winning some crypto. So wanted to end on a positive note here, and if anybody has anything that they want to talk about, just come on into Discord. And like I said, in the next week or so, I'm hoping that we have a lot of great things to come out, and I hope that I can share them with you next week. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell me what you love about cryptocurrency the most, and maybe you'll win 50,000 metrics from me. So until next time, Metroids, stay safe out there.